Hello.
Uptown Swing.
Level 4.
All the outs. That.
Yeah, that's bright. We did 3 all swing up.
Yeah.
The important things we talked about, it's pointy.
Very
It's pointy.
Kiki.
Yeah. You know, Kiki, Booba, we talked about that. I'll post it on Discord. So followers, we really thought about that left side.
Yeah.
You really don't want to be like both side. It's this side.
One-sided. Leaders, we really focused on pivoting around this left foot. Boom. Hey. Boom.
Pivot.
Boom.
Pivot.
Boom.
Pivot.
Boom.
Yeah. And then the whole thing will look like that.
A boom, hey, a boom, zap, ba-da, kick, ball change, shoot, boom, hop, ba-da, kick, ball change, hey, a boom, hop, ba-da, and then we added a little
Whip up.
whip whap turn. A boom, hey, a boom, boom, bow, bow, wee, and that's what we did.